Boom, it's Malcolmson here, and this one is on testing your hooks. So by this stage you should have read your origin story, and this was one I read. I don't think you have to write as much as this here. I started off with not that long a one, maybe that length or something, but this is the third time I've read this one, so it's kind of long. It's like a 20-minute read, but you don't have to have it that long. Alright, so this is basically what I wanted to show you though, was that from progressing on, when we're going to be doing like more publishing and stuff like that there, I know for me, when I started off, I kind of went with the shotgun approach, and I was just like kind of like throwing stuff out there and hoping it would hook, you know what I mean, just shotgunning it, throwing whatever came to mind out there, creating content. And it's not really the best way to go about it. It's kind of like a comedian, and when you see a comedian getting up on stage in front of thousands of people at the highlight of his career, and he's just telling crackers one after another. Like, he didn't start out like that, right? He was in the back bars and dives or whatever, testing all his material, and whatever ones worked and what ones didn't, he didn't use, and he kept the ones that worked. So this is what I'm going to show you how to do here in this here, starting off with your origin story, right? So if you read it out, if you've done it in audio, if you've done it on video, the same concept, it's the same sort of concept. So you're going to want to, there's going to be like so many hooks, like this here is a hook here, this is this crazy story, that could be a hook. Then like I was young buck of a boy, that could be a hook. There, see, there's going to be so many of them. See, young buck with more stubbornness and sense, right? You're going to see so many of them. I wanted to be the man that got stuff done. Like, these are ones from my personal one, and what you're going to want to do is pull these hooks. There's going to be like I was really getting treated like a baby. That could be a hook. Let's see. There's like, you're going to pull so many different hooks from this story, and what you're going to do is say, copy this here and just paste it in here. So this is going to be the Test and Hooks Worksheet, and I'll leave this in the link below for yourself. So you're going to want to just bang all the hooks you can from your origin story in here, and just keep throwing all these hooks in there, and keep going as many as you can out of your origin story. And then the idea is that when you're going to publish content the next time, the hook for the content will be something like, I never wanted to go to university, never, which was in your origin story, but this will be like different ones for you. And you're just going to want to say, if you're coming up with the next bit of content, you would just go here, and then you would test out this hook. So see if you throw it out there, does it hit or does it miss, and then you'll record it as either red it was a miss, yellow it was alright, and green it was a hit. So you want to do this like traffic light sort of system with all your different hooks, so that when it comes to like later down the line, you're going to remember in your head like, oh, that one was a good one, so it was easy for me to get to work, that hit. Then another one was like, the internet was a grey area for me, that sort of hit. Then a proper legitimate business online, that was alright. And then here's another one, by this stage of it all, I knew what I wanted, that was a complete miss. You know, you're just going to get these hits and misses, ones that were alright. and at the end of it you're going to get these ones that you're going to be like, oh, that one was a good one, that one was a good one. You're going to have all these really good jokes, kind of like the comedian throwing out all his jokes, and then when he gets to the big leagues, he has all his good jokes. And this is what I wanted to share with you on how you're going to do this. So I hope you kind of got the idea, and I left the worksheet below. Have a great one.